गजाल शुक्रार 6 एप्रिलाची. गोंयान एक इतिहास घडलो. वास्कोच्या बी सदाशिव रावाच्या फॅमिलीन घडयलो. दोतोरांनी ब्रेन डेड म्हणून जाहीर केल्या उपरांत ताच्या फॅमिलीन ताचे अवयव दान करपाचे थारायले. मात गोंयान असले कांय सेंटरूच ना. सोटो म्हळ्यार स्टेट ऑर्गन अँड टिश्यू ट्रान्सप्लांटेशन ऑर्गनायझेशन ना. इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरूय ना. गोंय सरकारान अर्ज केला मात फायल आजून खंय फुडेंच पावना.
There is provision under the rules of Transplantation of Human Organs Act to notify a center as a non-transplant organ retrieval center, NTORC, on an emergency basis. And this power is entirely in the hands of the state chairman of appropriate authority, which for Goa state is the health secretary. There is no SOTO in Goa. Goa government has applied for a SOTO, but the files are still not reached the NOTO. And it's only when the NOTO actually recognizes SOTO that it becomes official. Till such time, we are under the guidance of ROTO. So the kidneys are also being sent to Mumbai. And because Goa doesn't have a cross-match facility, so the director of ROTO, Dr. Sujata Patwardhan, secretary rather, she has given a specific instruction that Goa should have a cross-match facility and a local wait list if we intend to have our own kidneys. She has in her email expressed hope that Goa will soon have these facilities, and in future we'll be able to share kidneys in Goa. Suppose the extraction happens in Goa, then one kidney would remain in the hospital in which it is extracted. One kidney is offered to the state list. So if there are two hospitals doing, both hospitals will get one kidney each. And organs which cannot be used in Goa will have to be shipped outside Goa. That is the standard procedure.
गोंयान कितलेशेच जाण किडनी ट्रान्सप्लांटाक रावल्यात, मात गोंयान ताची लिस्टूच ना. बी सदाशिव रावान दान केल्ल्यो किडन्यो आनी लिव्हर 1-2 गरजवंत गोंयकारांक जीवनदान दिता आसल्यो. मात गोंयान कांय सुविधा नाशिल्ल्यान दोतोरांक मुंबयच्यान टीम हाडून ताचे अवयव गोंया भायर धाडून दिवचे पडले.
Not allocated in Goa because Goa doesn't have SOTO as of today, and you have cross-matching lab now. And third thing is that there is no list. See, that list has to be with them, ROTO. ROTO has to give the list who are there in Goa. So I think this will be a good trendsetter. So henceforward, with all the things in place, the next one, both kidneys can come here. Today we could not do it because we don't have the infrastructure. We have facility for transplant in GMC, but there has to be proper guidelines. Only ROTO can decide. Only even for kidney. This today, one kidney could have come to us, one kidney could have gone to us if both the hospitals had the same problem. Right? If the transplant was not a problem. So, and GMC, there is almost everything. Every month there is around 2-3 patients who are brain dead. So if they can also do this, they can. All the people will get.
आम्ही भलायकी मंत्री विश्वजीत राणांक गाठलो.
हांवें आतां डीनाक सांगला गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजान बी ते ट्रान्सप्लांट कमिटी आनी इतर कांय गोश्टी करूंक जाय. 1 कोटी डेडिकेटेड दवरूंक जाय फॉर दीस ऑर्गन ट्रान्सप्लांट आनी ते करपाक आमी तयार आहा. आमी इतले दिसा वेगवेगळ्या विशयाचेर चर्चा आशिल्ली एंड बट काल आमकां जेन्ना परमिशन मागलें सेक्रेटरीन परमिशन मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाक दिल्लें आसा बट आय वूड प्रिफर गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज ऑल्सो टू स्टार्ट दीस ऑन प्रायोरिटी.
आशियांतली आदली आनी फामाद म्हणटा तशी गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज. म्हयन्याचे म्हयने हजारांनी पेशंटाचेर हांगा उपचार जातात. हॉस्पिटलान परत किडनी ट्रान्सप्लांटूय सुरू केला. हांगा डेली कोण किडनी, कोण हार्ट, लिव्हर आनी बाकीचे उपचारांक येतात. जीएमसीन हे सेंटर सामके गरजेचे. ताचे म्हत्व सरकाराक जितल्या बेगीन कळटले तितल्याच बेगीन गोंयकार ऑर्गन डोनेशनाक फुडें सरतले. संवसारांतल्यान वतना आपल्या अवयवांतल्यान 2-3 जाणांक नवीन जीण दिवप हाचे परस व्हडले आनी दुसरे पुण्य कसले. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.